How to delete messages on your iPhone. First, open the Messages app and find the conversation containing the message you want to delete. To delete an individual message, open the conversation, then tap and hold the message. From the menu, tap More. Now, select the message or messages you want to remove, then tap the trash icon. Confirm by tapping Delete. If you want to delete an entire conversation, go back to the main Messages screen and swipe left on the conversation you want to remove. Then tap the trash icon or Delete, depending on your iOS version, and confirm. Keep in mind that deleting a message doesn't necessarily remove it permanently right away. Depending on your iOS version and settings, deleted messages may be moved to Recently Deleted, where you can recover them for a limited time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.